I'm excited today because my order has arrived. This is something that I've been dreaming of for a while. And to some people, it might be like, oh, is that it? But for me, as a certified aromatherapist, it is very, very important for me to use the right ingredients, the right products, and the right um, oils and whatever it is that I'm using. I always want to make sure that they are top notch. So I go almost to the ends of the world to find the best products. And some of these oils can be quite pricey because of course they go through different processes, and these are, essential plant extracts. And some of them, the cost of production and the processing is quite labor intensive, so it takes a lot of work to produce very, very little oil, hence the cost or the high cost. But when you want value, when you look for quality, when you want to get top-notch results, when you want to offer the best treatments to your clients, of course you go to the ends of the world to do that. So some of the oils are quite, like I've mentioned, quite pricey. Some of them can be 150 pounds or dollars, I mean, for just a little bit of oil. But then the benefits and the rewards are huge. So this is why these oils I've been wanting to order since last year, but life happened and I couldn't. So I put it on hold, and now they've arrived, and boy am I excited. So I decided I didn't want to leave you out. I want to open it with you, and so let's go ahead. I'm not at home today, so you can see my surroundings are different. So I really had to, rearrange stuff to be able to do this video. So if the camera is a little bit off or the background looks a bit boring or whatever, please forgive me. The whole thing is for me to be able to share with you as I open this box. And you're going to be wondering, what's the big deal? And even when I open it, that you might say, what the big deal? But you know what? To you it might be small deal, but for me, it's a big deal. So let's go. Yeah, so this product, of course, came all the way from America. And like I said, I like to ensure that I source the best oils. I'm not saying that best oils don't exist anywhere else, but I like to associate with like-mindeds who are passionate about sustainable sourcing their products sustainably, and also looking for the best, because these are things we are going to put on our skin, and these we actually want to see results. If you have some skin problems, or you have some whatever it is, you want to see the best results. So yeah, and then to see the best result, you have to source the best products. So let's see what they put in here. There it comes. All right. And then they wrapped it up and wrapped it up and wrapped it up. But trust me, and if you want to know the story about this, you need to watch my other video of how much I paid and all that. So yeah. Nicely wrapped for little babies. For little very expensive babies. Yeah, they are. Oh my goodness, honestly. Oh, I'm so happy. And there's one, Neroli, this one. Trust me, if you know how much this thing is. Over 100 plus, 100 and what was it? Anyway, so yeah, these are my essential oils, and I'm gonna tell you about them a bit later what each of them, the benefits, why I ordered, them, what I'm going to use them for, and why they are so highly valuable. But yes, like you know when people look at you and say, okay, what do you use on your skin, why is your skin looking so healthy, or why is your skin, it is because we want to seek the best products, and because we use the best products. And that's what I do. All my preparations, I ensure that I seek top-notch products and make sure that, yes, they are quality, they are sustainably produced, and they are the best as is humanly made, the best way as is humanly possible. So thank you for being with me as I opened my parcel. And if you want to know more about, what I spoke about this parcel, how it got to me, check out my other video, and it's entitled Tariffs, a rude awakening. So thank you so much. Remember to subscribe, because there are so many more interesting things coming this way. Bye bye.